How to delete your Facebook page. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can delete Facebook page. Simply open up Facebook and you'll get an interface like this on your account. Now tap on the three horizontal line icon at the top right corner of your screen, and then here you'll be able to switch to your page, or what you can do is simply head on to the pages option on your shortcuts. Now here what you want to do is tap on the three dots option that you'll find beside the pages, or what you can do is simply tap on the page that you want to delete. Now you can see I have two different pages. I'll just head into the first one. If you want, you can simply tap on any page that you have, and then you can tap and head on to it. And here what you want to do is you want to switch to the page. Now you can see here popping up switch to machine, here switch to the page. Now here I have switched on to the page. Now once you switch in, what you want to do is tap on the three horizontal line icon again at the top right corner, and here head into settings. Now once on settings, what you want to do is head into page settings that you'll find at the very first. Tap on page settings and scroll all the way down below until you find the option ownership and control. Now if you scroll down below under Facebook page information, you can see the option access and control there under activity log. Simply tap on access and control, and here you'll find the option deactivation and deletion. Simply tap on deactivation and deletion and tap on delete page. If you want deactivate, you can tap on deactivate. However, either which you want to choose, simply make sure blue check is on the option that you want to choose. Now you can see blue tick mark here on delete page. Simply tap and continue here, and tap and continue again. Scroll down below and tap and continue again, and here it'll ask you for Facebook password. Now I'll just type in my password here, and once you type in your password here, your Facebook page will be deleted. So this way you can delete your Facebook page. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.